So today is December 22nd and is the winter solstice, which is one of the solar terms and is quite important days for Chinese people. At this day is a festival for a family to unite. Winter solstice means the end of the winter, so people always choose this day as important as Spring Festival. So at this day, my mom will prepare something to pray to the God and thanks to him for the past year, and also we prepare some food for them to wish we will have a good year. So right now my mom is preparing for praying to the God. Let's see what's going on and what will my mom do. 媽媽，你準備咗啲咩嚟拜神啊？
金銀珠寶。
仲有咧？
蚵啊，生蠔啊，煎端端個有腳啊，朝早啊呢啲之類。
咁你一般幾點鐘開始拜神啊？
今日嘅3點鐘好日，好時好日，恭喜做節啦！
呢啲叫咩啊？
呢啲咪叫做祖先衣。
衣字即係祖先啲衫，跟住咧，媽媽會準備啲棗轉入去啲水嚟，有咩寓意啊？茶嚟，有咩意思啊？
佢係掂斷物帝啊，食呢個冇閉翳啊，飲茶冇閉翳啊咁。
你年年都拜嘅？
係啊。
其實你嚟拜公，知唔知點解要拜㗎？
供奉啲神咯。
咁點解要用呢啲？你知唔知㗎？即係你啲爹哋媽咪教你。
我哋覺咧，你哋公自己公，唔好又唔懂
咁㗎。So after my mom light up some incense and candles, my mom will serve them some tea and some alcohol, and I think the ceremony almost begin. So just now my mom has already said some wishes and thankful words to God. Right now my mom will prepare to burn something important to the God. 媽媽，你做緊咩啊？
進寶啊！
進寶。咁你燒嗰啲係咩啊？
啲隻鵪鶉。
Just now I spent an hour with my mom on some tradition of winter solstice. And after that, my mom will prepare some dinners for us. And after dinner, we will eat the sweet dumpling, which means family union. 冬至快乐 Happy Winter Solstice. See you next time. 再见，拜拜。